Recording in progress.
Hello! Hi! This is Teacher Lourdes, and this is your course, Research 2, Project Development. Our lesson 11 is Recommendation Crafting. Our objectives are formulate actionable recommendations, align recommendations with evidence, and create recommendations for your research paper. Fix the problem. A group of BSIT students conducted a study on improving the efficiency of a school's inventory system. Their findings show that manual encoding causes delays and frequent errors. If you were the researcher, what would you recommend? Answer the following questions in the comment section. What solution can be implemented? Who will benefit? Is it realistic? Today, we will learn how to turn ideas like this into strong, research-based recommendations. Now let's have the lesson proper. What is recommendation crafting? Recommendation crafting is the process of proposing practical, evidence-based actions based on research findings. It is usually found in Chapter 5 of a research paper. In the last part, recommendations answer the question, what should be done based on the results? These are the characteristics of a good recommendation or recommendations. These are actionable, specific, evidence-based, relevant, and feasible. When you say actionable, your recommendation must be clear and doable. When you say specific, it is not vague or general. It should be specific based on the findings of your study. Evidence-based, it is derived from the findings of your study. And it is relevant. It addresses the research problem. And it is feasible. When you say feasible, it is realistic in context. Formulate actionable recommendations. This is a weak example. Improve the system. And this is the strong example of a recommendation. Develop and implement a computerized inventory management system using barcode scanning to reduce encoding errors. Tip in formulating recommendations. You can use the following action verbs: develop, implement, design, enhance, or integrate. Align recommendations with evidence. Example, the finding you have is manual inventory processes resulted in 35% data entry errors. This is the aligned recommendation. Implement an automated inventory system to minimize human error and improve data accuracy. Reminder, do not create recommendations without supporting the findings. Every recommendation must be traceable to a result. So when you are making recommendations, you can also input the suggestions of the experts or the panel members. Create recommendations for your research. Sample research topic, development of a web-based attendance monitoring system. These are the sample recommendations. The institution should adopt the developed web-based attendance system to improve monitoring efficiency. Future developers may integrate biometric authentication to enhance system security. And the system should be tested in a real-time environment for further validation. So these are the sample recommendations. In your research paper, you can have more than 3 recommendations, especially if the panel or the experts have also their sample recommendations. So you should include their recommendations in your chapter 5. These are the tips for you, my students. Use clear and direct language. Avoid repeating conclusions. Focus on solutions, not problems. Consider stakeholders like students, teachers, IT staff, and other people. So these are the tips for you in constructing your recommendation in the last part of your chapter 5. For your student activity, you will write your own recommendations. Okay, so identify one key finding from your research and you will write 2 to 3 or more recommendations based on that findings. These are the guide questions. What problem did your study reveal? What solution can you suggest? Who should implement it? Example format. Based on the findings that blank, it is recommended that blank to improve blank. So this is your student activity. Put this in your chapter 5. So these are my references. Thank you so much to these references and thank you to ChatGPT, Canva.com, and Zoom.com. So this is your teacher Lourdes saying, mabuhay!